everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, which will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. I am currently waiting to put up the bundles, so if there are any more available, I will have the link down below for the Ultimate Mystery Bundles. But the shop will return to normal on Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go through all of these new releases. Also want to mention that the reveal video for, what is it, October Mystery will be live Wednesday morning, so you guys can watch that. So let's go ahead and get into it. We have 3 kits for this week. We have some doodle releases and a foil bundle. So first things first, let's go through the doodles. There are some winter ones for this week. So the first one here is Winter Sampler 1, all different super cute usable winter doodles. And then there are some bows, stamps. This is 303. 304 is some pastel cats, and then I did some more traditional colored cats for 306. The Winter Sampler number 2, again with all different usable winter doodles on there. 307, which is going to be snow. You have little snowmen and little gloves holding a heart snowball. There is some snow gear, which has the hats and the puffy jackets, and then some cozy mugs with a little like sweater on it. And then last but not least, there is some to-go coffee cups with little glove hands. So those are the 10 doodles coming to shop for this week for 301 to 310, which is crazy we have that many in shop. And let's go through something new that I'm going to try out. I have 3 weeks that I'm going to trial it and see if y'all like it or not. But the first week I wanted to do a color that is my favorite, which is like a millennial pink color. And I made, I think there's 6. 1, 2, 6. Yes, there's 6 different samplers, and they each have different doodles on them. So this is going to be available Wednesday at noon Eastern until Monday-ish, Monday, Tuesday. I usually do listings on Tuesday, so we'll say it's available through Monday. So it'll be like a limited release. It'll be the only time that you can get this colorway. So the first sheet is the Magical Doodle Sampler, and then it kind of just goes through a lot of the different doodles that you can find in shop in the same color. So all of the sheets will have the color on the top, and then there'll be 1 through 6. As we do more doodles, I will make more sheets to add on, so there'll be like a 7th sheet. So this is number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they'll be available a la carte, so you can pick and choose which ones you want and don't want. If you want multiples of any, like I said, this is going to be the color for the week. It'll be available Wednesday through Monday, so definitely pick those up. I love that color. Next, let's get into the foil bundle. I totally forgot that this one was like waiting to be released. It is so pretty, and I had my manufacturer look for the perfect black sparkle foil, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. So this is a black sparkle in the star format. So you have the 6 full boxes, and then the glitter headers, 2 pages of those. You have the 2 pages of bougie boxes. You have the icons and scripts, and then you have the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. And then there is also, if you want to add on the label sampler, it's gonna be so hard to see it, but it's like the perfect black sparkle. It's like a really fine glitter, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. Let me see if I can show you on this page too. So pretty, and it's just gonna make so many spreads so fun and unique. So that is the foil bundle for this week. That'll be available Wednesday, and we always have the new foil bundles at a special pricing during that time as well. So definitely check that out. So again, that is the star format and black sparkle foil. And then we have 3 new kits for this week. 2 of them are Christmas themed, and one of them is not. Let's go through the non-Christmas one first. They all do come in ultimate and mini formats. So let's go through this one first, which is called Mysterious. I thought this art was so pretty, and I love the colorway. It's just so like soft, but like definitely an anytime palette where I can see you using it in January, but also like in spring, summer. So here are the full boxes. So this is based on, what's it even called? Like the I can't even think of the name. I don't watch like or listen to the like the murder mystery podcast. So I tried to make the boxes kind of a little bit more neutral, and then the freebie has a little bit more of the murder mystery, you know, elements in it. And then you have your extra full boxes in the ultimate. You have the suspicious pop socket and then the little planner flat lay with some makeup. But I thought it was super cute. Kind of just honestly gives me like a Netflix and chill, but like a spring version vibes, which I love. And I love the Mountain Dew. I think that's so funny. And like the Coke and the popcorn and everything food, y'all know I love, and the scrunchie. And then it was funny because I actually had, whenever I downloaded this art, had this remote sitting next to me, and I thought that was so funny. So super, super cute. Y'all seem to love this whenever I sneaked it on Instagram, and oops, I grabbed the wrong page. 1 second. This one. Yep. Have my mini and my ultimate kit pages mixed up on that one. And then here is the bottom washi, which I love the grid. And then the extra full box here in both the mini and the ultimate is the YouTube on the screen, which I thought was adorable. So that is the ultimate kit, same freebie in the mini, of course. And then there are add-on options. So you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. You have the label sampler if you want to add it on. And there is also fashion options if you want to add that on. And like these fashion options are like amazing. They're so beautiful. So that is the first kit. The next two kits are both Christmas kits, and I think they are so cute. They're just so festive and fun and like happy. So let's go through this one here first. This one is called Joyful, and I love the colorway of this palette. I think it's so fun and unique, and I feel like it would go with basically any of the core foils. And there's also a lot of options you could pull in for fun foils, but I think rose would be really pretty with this. Silver, gold, mixed metal, hollow, sparkly hollow. You name it, I think it would look gorgeous with this. Or even that like, I still have it out. I don't think I have it out. The star that came out last week with the like gold stars, and I think that'd be fun too. So the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the little sampler of the Christmas doodles, because I thought that would be really cute. Here is the full boxes page. Then you also do have this page here in the ultimate that has the 2 extra full boxes. You have the one that has the little letters to Santa, and then the little light post, which is super cute. I love, again, the colors, and the patterns are gorgeous. I love the gray pattern because it has snowflakes in it. Ooh, a snowflake foil bundle. Maybe that's coming in some of y'all's future. But yeah, snowflakes would look really cute with this as well in silver. I think that'd be really, really nice. So that is the ultimate kit. The extra full box on the washi page in both the mini and ultimate is the little living room scene, which is super cute. There is add-ons of the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the fashion add-on as well. So cute. So that is Joyful. Again, all this will be in shop Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then last but not least, we also do have Bright Christmas, which is perfect for like a Christmas holiday, or if you live in, is it the Southern Hemisphere? I'm like terrible at geography, but y'all know what I mean. If it is warm, which actually for me, it's usually warm for Christmas as well. I just really pretend. I do the pretending. I pretend it's winter. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't in Texas. So this is called Bright Christmas. I love that it's like a pool theme, and like very like kind of, you know, it looks like beachy kind of situation or pool weather, but with the darker colors, I feel like it still gives me Christmas vibes, which I love, but the darker colors are more like berries and pinks, which is super cute. So here are the full boxes. Both the mini and the ultimate had the same freebie of the Christmas themed doodles. The ultimate kit has a tall box with the pool with the little reindeer blow up floaty in it, which is super cute. And I just love these colors. Again, I love dark colors with foil. I just think it's the prettiest combo. Lots and lots of deco on this one. And then you have the bottom washi and then the extra full box on the washi page. So that is the ultimate kit. Again, it does also come in a mini kit. There is a 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then the fashion add-on as well. So that's everything for this week. Again, everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. If there is any bundles, I will go ahead and link those down below. Also, like I said, there will be a mystery reveal on Wednesday. I'm really excited because I actually worked with a new artist on this one, which I think it turned out gorgeous. The scene is like, it's like next level beautiful. And like also the fashion options, like what is there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different like fashion elements in it and like different, like completely different. And then one has like multiple, but oh, so good. So you have those 3 kits for this week. You have the foil bundle, which is the black sparkle in the star format. And then you have the new trial of the Doodle samplers in the color of the week, which is like a millennial pink. And then also the Doodles, which is 301 through 310. So that is everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.